Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's get started. First, listen what I will say, then go into video. Don't skip at all. Here, the main concept is to save money. This is the easy trick, so everyone has to follow. By using gift cards, you can get cashbacks in Max, Trends shopping malls, Zomato, Swiggy apps, Flipkart, and Amazon's apps. I don't know why, but no nose says to use the gift cards these days. After watching this video, you will definitely save money from this. So I will start with Zomato app. Now we are using only Zomato coupons here. In Zomato app, I will order butter chicken. For that to reduce amount of charges, we often use Zomato coupons. Now after selecting the coupon, I will make the payment. Now to save money, open Paytm app, go down and find gift cards, click that and type Zomato in search bar. Now enter amount 250 and apply 6% cashback, and you can see 15 rupees is the cashback you get for 250 rupees. Try for 1,000, you get 60. For 2,000, you get 120 rupees. To redeem the gift card, to show how to save money, I will buy 250 rupees gift card. Now don't skip this video, yes, if you think this is small amount. And don't want to save money, you can go. But I will say one thing. In a whole year, if you spend 5,000 rupees on Zomato or Swiggy, you could save 300 rupees, and for 10,000 rupees per year, you will save 600. And for Swiggy, it is different. They give you 7% cashback, and it is more than Zomato's. This is only possible by using gift cards. You don't lose any money. Instead, you get cashback in terms of money only. This is best way to save money. Note, in Zomato or Swiggy, you can apply normal coupons while using this gift cards. You will get both benefits. As you continue in this video, you will see the truth for saving money. Now, open Zomato app, go to account section, scroll down, select the claim gift card, and claim your gift card amount by pasting redeem code and PIN for it. And then boom, your money has successfully added to Zomato wallet. I repeat once again that when you buy a gift card from Paytm app, your cashback will be received in Paytm wallet only. For the proof to save money, now I will buy biryani from Zomato, where I will use Zomato coupons and my Zomato wallet money. For the gift card I buyed for Zomato rupees 250, so I got 15 rupees cashback. See, you got cashback for Zomato. As same, you can get cashback for everything you buy. I have purchased Amazon Prime gift card for 1,500 rupees and still got 120 rupees cashback. Isn't that amazing? Yes, sometimes we get Amazon Prime for 750 only, but at that time we don't have money and we won't buy. And when we get money, that offer won't be there, but we want cashback. This gift card feature is available all the time, so take the cashback and save money. Gift cards we can buy like Max, Trends shopping malls, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. At last, get cashback for everything you purchase and save money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.